Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, March the 6th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, and it's a 3-star Sudoku. And 3 puzzles are left: the binary, the tectonic, and now it's time for the 4-star Sudoku. Yeah, the 4 stars Sudoku. Previous Sudoku was not a 3 stars, but a 1 star. Yeah. All right. I've solved this one in 15 minutes. So I don't know if this one is a hard one, but I know this one will be number 6072. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has one less than the previous Sudoku, 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. We will see if this is really a 4 stars Sudoku. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 ones. We have here 2 twos, 1 3, 4 fours. All right. 2 fives, 2 sixes, 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 4 eights, and 3 nines. So the 4s and the 8s are a majority. Question is, can I start with the 4 and 8s? Well, let me see. Will be difficult, but we have a pair. The 4 and 8 in this column, the 4 and 8 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Alright. Yeah. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, there are only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we see a 4 in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next, there are only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. So in this second row, we need a 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 4 because we have 4 in the last column. No 4 there. Here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here can be 4 because we have 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here can be a 4 because we have 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there. So the 4 in the second row could be here, here, or there. Here, here, or there. We see another 4 in the second column, so no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Same for here, 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. You see here 4 in this column, second column, no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. 8, yeah. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, okay. 8, 8. Yeah. Let me see. Come on. 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this column, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1. 1, 1. 1, okay. Cannot continue with 1 now. How about the 3? We have a 3 there. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. 3 and here. 2 missing numbers in the second column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. Okay. 3, 3. 4 missing numbers in this big square. The 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 3. We have a 1 and 3 in the second row, so no 1 and 3 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Alright. 1. Okay. 6. 3. 3. Well. Let me think. 6. I'm thinking. 5. 5. Well, 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Need a 5 here. Need 7 here. 5, 7. And need an 8 here. Alright. 8. Come on. 4. These 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those. So 7 should be here. 2. Oh, we have a 2 in this row. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in the middle column. No 2 there. 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 4 and 8. Well, we have a 4 now in the first row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 in the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 9, 6, 8, 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 6, 8, 9. 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9, 6, 8, 9. And look, we have 8 and a 9 in this column. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. 8 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 9, 8 and 9. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. So we have a 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And so here we have a pair, 8 and a 9 again. 6, 6, 6. Okay, 6, 6, 6, 6. Yeah, 6, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. Well. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next down, we place left for the 2. Should be there. 1 should be here. Okay, 2. I'm thinking. Yeah, I'm thinking. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is this. Well, yeah, I'm thinking. 173 6 8 8 8. Well, we have 8 in this column, 8 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next down, the 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. With all the 8s, no. 8 8, need an 8 there. Here an 8, okay, need to 8. 9 in this column, 9 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So these 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 8 or 9, yeah. 5, 6, 7. 5. We have a 7 and 6 in the last row. So no 7 and 6 in this box. 7 and 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and 6. 7 and 6. So 1 digit left in this column for number 5. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5. Should be there. And we have a pair. The 5 and a 9 in the last column. The 5 and a 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 9, 9. Alright. 5, 5. 5, 7, 3. 7, 3. We have a 3 now in the middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. So the other pair in this big square, the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next to the last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the 7, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 6 in, we already have a 6. Can I count? And all the 6s are used. I can see this number 1, number 6. Then 1 number left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. That means we have a 7 in one of those two boxes in this column. It means that I've marked those two boxes earlier, the 2 and 7. So this box can be a 7 and more. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 2. Alright. 7, alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let me think. 3 is also missing. 2, 2. Well. 3, 3. Come on, 9, 9. 5, 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Can I count? And all the fives are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 5. Okay. 1, 3, 8, and a 9. Okay. 2, 7, 9. 2, 7, 9. No 7 there. Here, come here. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 7. In this row, we have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here or there. We see another 7 in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. In this big square, we have a 9 in the first column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes and there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 and 9, we have an 8 now in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. Now we have a 4 here in the first column, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. That means we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1 and 7, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 7. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Well, okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square. I believe the 2 and 3, yeah. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. So we have 3 in this row, last row, 3 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 and 3, we have a 3 now in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and 3, we have a 3 now in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow, 18 minutes. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. The binary puzzle and the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.